All right, so we are here at the 2024 Gaborone Motor Show at the Fields Mall in Gaborone. So we are still on our Chinese adventure. We are looking at specifically Chinese cars, and we just looked at the Tiggo Pro Max, wonderful car. Now we are going onto the JAC T9. Nothing like nothing else like it in the local market here. It's a completely different type of buggy. Is the X factor of the buggy market here in Botswana. It has a lot to offer. It's fully spec'd. It comes with a sunroof on a buggy, so you can imagine. So that the Chinese are out here, and they're bringing the war to the buggy segment here in Botswana. The JAC T9. Okay, nothing else like it in the market. So you have the nudge bar here. I like it. It's simple and it's makes it looking even more macho, even more tougher as a buggy. So I like the fonting here on the nudge bar, JAC T9. Then you have also the JAC logo here. I like this red type of reflector stuff. I don't know if it reflects at night, but it looks the part. And then you have the silver with the black on the grill here. Then you have the grill. It's quite a big grill. It starts from the top, goes all the way to the bottom. It shows the theme, the toughness, the macho theme of the JAC T9. And then you have the bonnet. It's like a flowing flat bonnet, and it's quite a very, very nice, clean design with a bit of radicalness. But like I'm saying, man, there's nothing else like this in the market. So I have the quality plastics here. Also nicely done, nicely executed. Then you have the parking sensors down there. So yeah, that's the front end of the JAC T9. So the side profile of the JAC T9, you can tell it's a buggy. It's a profile of almost every buggy, same profile, double cab. Yeah, but the workmanship and the finishing here. So the plastics flaring arcs here, and then the side fenders here, and also the paint makes it look even more cooler. Yeah. So it's a great job by the Chinese manufacturer. So then you get to the 18 inches. You get to the 18-inch tires here. They're called GT. I think GT, something like that. GT 4x4, 80/70. These are 18 inches. Quite nice. Quite nice here. Off-road tires. Then you have the two-tone color here. Like the machined wheel rims here. So yes, I think so far so good with the JAC. Now you go to the mirrors here, finished in silver. There's a camera here, lane departure, lane assist also, and then you have the roof rack finished in silver. All right, and the privacy windows here, tinted windows. Then you have the door handles also silver. Also, I think it's a keyless entry to the JAC T9. So as you can see, the Star JAC Motors Botswana logo here. Very exciting stuff. Then you have also the side steps. So as I said before, like this is a sort of like a military theme, macho man, something you'd see in a sci-fi movie. So yeah, so that's the theme of this buggy. So this actually is steel, Some of the buggies here is actually steel and plastic, but here I think it's steel here. Then you have aluminium also. Okay, and come to the back. You have this roll bar here. I don't know what maybe JAC thinks of. I don't know if it's heavy, because if you touch it, it feels a bit heavy, but this roof rack. No, it's not it's a roll bar, like a roll bar for a working buggy. That's what I'd say. And then the JAC logo here, and then you have the Then you have the load bay here. You have the bucket this side. Standard with every every big SUV or big pickup buggy. Then you have of course, you have the tonneau cover here, and then yeah. Then you have your plastics on the wheel arcs. Then you have your plastics again the bottom here. Okay, so we are in the inside of the JAC T9. Very nice place. For a moment there, you'll forget that you are even in a in a buggy, in a working buggy, in an actual buggy. You have the steering here. Steering it's a bit of yoked at the bottom here, of which I like. It's finished in brushed aluminum here. It's yeah, this is leather, man. This is leather. This is top quality. This is top tier stuff. And then you have the air vents here, nicely executed. Yes. Then again, kudos to JAC. And then the center console here, you also have the finished brushed aluminum here. Then you have the lever here, the controller here. It's an automatic. I think it's an automatic. It's a 6-speed. And then you have the electronic handbrake here. You have the switch here to the console here to change gear. So this way you go 2 high, 4 high, go into 4x4 mode, and whenever you have to pull out of sand or river crossing or something. So then you have I think it's a wireless charger here. There's a 360 camera, I think. Then you have also the charging ports here, and then storage, of course. You have cup holders. You have a lot of areas where you could store your things right here. Okay, yeah. And then another party trick here. It has a sunroof. It's one of the only buggies in the market to have a sunroof on an actual buggy. We'll be going to the cattle post where the sunroof will be. So imagine that you'll be driving around, doing your small business, whatever you do with your business. We'll be having a buggy with the actual sunroof, which is I think is really cool. Then at the back also, I think you have ample space, so it can also work as a a family vehicle. It can also go do the school run. Then the weekends, then you go to the farm, you go to the cattle post, and it's cool stuff, man. I like this buggy.